Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chayote squash. This versatile vegetable, sometimes called merlatin, offers a subtle, slightly sweet flavor and a firm texture. First, wash your chayote thoroughly under cool running water. Next, carefully peel the skin, which can be a bit tough. Then, slice it in half lengthwise and scoop out the single, soft seed. Finally, dice the flesh into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch, preparing it for your chosen cooking method. Roasting chayote brings out its natural sweetness and creates a lovely, tender, crisp texture. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the diced chayote with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Spread the seasoned pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they don't overlap. Roast for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the edges are lightly browned and the squash is tender. Sautéing is a quick and easy way to prepare chayote, preserving its slight crunch. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your diced chayote and cook, stirring frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want it to be tender crisp, not mushy. Feel free to add minced garlic, chopped onions, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs during the last few minutes for extra flavor. It makes a fantastic, healthy side dish. Boiling or steaming chayote is perfect when you desire a softer texture, perhaps for a puree or to incorporate into soups. For boiling, place the diced squash in a pot of lightly salted water and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. If steaming, arrange the pieces in a steamer basket over boiling water for 8 to 12 minutes. In both cases, cook until the chayote is fork tender. This gentle cooking method helps retain its mild flavor and makes it easy to mash or blend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.